Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 33, Quranic Verses, Spending out of what one loves and spending what is excellent. You will never be able to attain godliness and virtue until you spend of what you love in Allah's cause, or to provide sustenance for the needy. Surah Al-Imran, Chapter 3, Verse 92. O you who believe, spend in Allah's cause, and for the needy out of the pure, wholesome things you have earned, and of what we have produced for you from the earth. And do not seek after the bad things to spend thereof in alms and in Allah's cause, when you would not take it, save with disdain. Surah Al-Baqarah, Chapter 2, Verse 267. Hadith number 166, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Zakah, 44. Sahih Muslim, Zakah, 42. Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, said, Abu Talha had more property in palm trees than any of the Ansar in Medina. His favorite property was Bayruha, which was opposite the mosque. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, used to enter it and drink its sweet water. Anas said, when this verse was sent down, you will never be able to attain godliness and virtue until you spend of what you love. Surah Al-Imran, Chapter 3, Verse 92. Abu Talha went to the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, and said, O Messenger of Allah, Allah the Almighty says, you will not attain true goodness until you give of what you love. The property I love the best is Bayruha. It is sadaqah for Allah, whose goodness I hope for, and I hope that it will be stored up for me with Allah the Almighty. O Messenger of Allah, dispose of it in whatever way Allah shows you is best. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, excellent. That is a profitable property. That is a profitable property. I have heard what you have said, and I think that you should give it to your relatives. Abu Talha said, I will do that, O Messenger of Allah. So Abu Talha divided it among his relatives and cousins.